Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a review on the Sephora favorites. Give me some new lip kit that I picked up. And for those of you guys who have been watching me, or at least who have been following me, you know that I always pick up this set, especially when they go ahead and come out with one. So from my previous video reviews, the packaging is already different. They used to have the set in like a big like a lip, but now they changed it to like this box right here. So alright, let's go ahead and talk about the packaging. Very simple, very clean, to the point. I like it a lot, and I really like how they have lips all around. Alright, so of course on the bottom right here they do have this piece of paper. When you go ahead and lift this up, it actually talks about all of the lip products that are in here. It has your ingredients and all that stuff. From what I remember, my previous lip reviews, their list was like really long. At least like the piece of paper was like really raw. So I really like how they shorten it now. So let's go ahead and open this up. So you're going to open this up. This is what it looks like on the inside. So you have all of your lip products right here. And then you have some of these, I guess you call them frilly paper kind of stuff. So I'm actually going to go ahead and talk about each product individually. I'll go ahead and swatch them and also try them for you. So let's go ahead and talk about this one first. This is the Huda Beauty Lip Stroke in the color Snobby. I think that's how you pronounce it. So the packaging is very simple, very clean, to the point. I really like it all. It's so cute and adorable. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about the Doe Foot Applicator first. So this Doe Foot Applicator right here, if you look at it closely, it is like slightly slanted, and it's a little bit longer than your typical, I would say, like lip gloss applicator that I have tried and used. So this one is actually really easy to apply. So you just go ahead and just like swipe it across your lips, and the color just goes ahead and come out. And from looking at the packaging right here, it kind of looks like it's gonna be like a pinkish pearly kind of like lip gloss color. But when you go ahead and apply it on, for me, it kind of looks more like a clear lip gloss of like just glitter all over my lips. So when I first tried this on, I wasn't really sure about the color because I was just like, I feel like it's a little bit too much. But then when I wore this as like a lip topper on top of like another lip gloss, I was like, wow, this is such a really gorgeous color. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this on first. So what do you guys think of this color? I feel like this color isn't really suitable for me, unless, like I mentioned before, like I'm actually gonna go ahead and use this more as like a lip topper instead of just wearing it on its own. The good thing about this is that it's not sticky at all, and for sure this is definitely not long lasting, so you definitely do have to go ahead and touch up throughout the day. Next we have, this is from Smashbox, and this is their Always On Metallic Matte in the color XO Vada. I think that's how you pronounce it. So packaging very simple, very clean, to the point. I like it a lot. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Doe Foot Applicator. So this Doe Foot Applicator is slanted, and if you look closely, there's actually like a hole in the middle. So I have tried and used Smashbox lip products before, and I really do like the Doe Foot Applicator. Even though it has a hole in the middle, it might seem like it's a little bit weird, but this Doe Foot Applicator does apply onto your lips really well. Really great for lining your lips first and then applying it on. And as for this color, I would have to say, oh my goodness, this lip product right here is so long lasting. I was actually quite amazed and quite shocked by it. And when I went to eat and drink and wipe my mouth, like only just like a little bit came off, and it was like on my lips for a good 8 hours. I was just really surprised by this, but I would have to say I did struggle with removing it, especially at the end of the day. Like I had to like kind of like scrub my lips, not really, so I kind of had to like put a little bit more pressure than usual when I go ahead and remove lip products. So let's go ahead and try this on. So what do you guys think of this color? I am not a huge fan of this color. I do not like this color at all. I feel like it kind of like washes me out even more. I look like more pale than I'm supposed to. But I have to say, I definitely do like the formula. I really love how lightweight it actually feels on the lips. It feels like you're kind of really not wearing anything at all. the next product we have here, this is from Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color Candy Vima, and the packaging is so simple, it's so clean. I like it a lot. And when you go ahead and pull this off, it says FB on the lipstick right here, but you probably can't really see anymore because I already used it. So this lip product right here, I've actually thought that I would get more lip product, so this is all the lip product that you're actually getting from here, which I was just a little bit disappointed. I kind of expected more from it. But anyways, so as for this lip product right here, when you go ahead and apply this on your lips, it's like an instant matte, and it feels so lightweight, and the pigmentation is like really high. Like one swipe, you're just like, wow, oh my goodness. So this lip product is definitely not long lasting. If you were to eat and drink, of course you're gonna have to go ahead and touch up throughout the day. And also what I noticed is that when I went to go ahead and remove this lip product, it did leave a little bit of a stain on my lips, which wasn't too bad. So let's go ahead and try this on. So what do you guys think of this color? I actually quite like this color a lot. I'm not exactly really sure what color this is, since there's like so many colors. It kind of looks like a fuchsia color, but it kind of looks more of like a watermelon color, but kind of there's like some red in there. Like looking at the mirror, it definitely looks more like a fuchsia color, but then like on camera it kind of looks more like it's leaning towards like a reddish apple kind of color. So next we have this is from Tracey. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not exactly sure, but anyways, this is their mini plumping lip balm lip treatment in the color Barbados Berry. So let's go ahead and talk about packaging. Packaging is really simple, very cute. It's really adorable. Kind of reminds me of like a really fat crayon. Okay, so you go ahead and twist this open. This is what the lip product looks like. Kind of reminds me of those EOS lip balms that I have tried and used a lot, like was a couple years ago. They were so popular back then, but I stopped using them. So this is what it looks like, and when you go ahead and apply this onto your lips, it does give you like a little bit of color. It's very hydrating, very moisturizing, and also it says it's a plumping lip balm. So for me, I felt like my lips look the same, they feel the same after using it, so I didn't really see a difference in the plumping at all. So let's go ahead and try this on. What do you guys think of this lip color right here? I feel like this lip color definitely reminds me of like when I eat popsicles, and then those popsicles, like they leave like a little bit of a stain behind your lips. So it kind of reminds me of that a little bit. One more lip product, and this is from Marc Jacobs, and this is in the color 310 Night Maybe. So let's go to top packaging. Packaging is very simple, very clean. It's a point. I like it a lot. So you go ahead and pull this open. You can actually go ahead and twist the lip product up. So you just go ahead and twist the bottom right here, and the lip product will just go ahead and come up. There's actually no need for sharpening for those of you guys who don't know how to use this product. So as for this lip product, I would say I really like it a lot. It's really great for lining your lips right now, since the tip is still sharp. But of course, after you go ahead and use it, when the tip is flat, it's gonna be a little bit hard to line your lips. But when you go ahead and apply this on, it goes on really smooth, very nice. I really like the finish a lot, and I feel like this color just like fits really well for my skin color. And of course, with eating and drinking and touching and wiping your lips, it will go ahead and come off, so definitely do have to go ahead and touch up. So let's go ahead and try this last color on. Guys think of this color? I remember the first time when I looked at it from the packaging, I was like, I'm not really sure about this color. I feel like it might be a little bit too light, or maybe like a little bit too dark for me. But then after going ahead and applying on my lips, I was like, oh my gosh, it is such a pretty color. It has like so many like colors to it, especially when you like move a little bit. It's kind of like a pinkish, purplish. It's just like there's so many colors to like this lip. It's like you're not really sure exactly what color it is. So I definitely really like this color a lot. My final thoughts on this Sephora lip kits right here. I would have to say I definitely do like it. There is one product I really don't like, which is the Smashbox one. So if you ask me, is this a great deal or like a not good deal, I would say considering there's like 2 full-size products in here, which is the Smashbox and the Marc Jacobs one, and this retails for $28 US. So if you were to go ahead and add up those 2 full-size products in here, of course it's gonna go ahead and cost more than $28 US. I would say it's definitely a really great deal, especially if you do like all these colors, or at least if you like a majority of the colors. But if you don't like any of the colors, I definitely would not suggest picking this up, unless if you want to go ahead and try out like different lip products from like different brands. I would say this is like a great time to go ahead and try this out. Well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.